In this video, I'm going to show you how to accept a manager invite to YouTube channels. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, you need to receive the option to accept. Okay, the person, the owner of the channel, need to send you the manager permission. So you need to ask the person to come on the YouTube channel, come on settings, come right through on permissions, and the person needs to click invite, put your email right here, and put manager. Okay, so for example, test@gmail.com, and the person needs to click on done. After that, you will receive an email into this Gmail account, okay, this Google account, and you need to just click on the email that you will receive, and you just need to click to accept the invite. In my case, I don't have an email with this option because I don't have a manager invite, but you just need to click on the email and accept the invite that it will come to the channel of the owner, okay? And you will have the manager permission on this channel, okay? To log on the channel, you need to have your Gmail account, the same Gmail account that the person had you. So you need to log it to this Gmail account that when you click right here and click to switch account, you will see the channel. I hope I helped you on how to accept manager invite to YouTube channels. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us footsteps.